Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in this Honeywell 5800 COA wireless carbon monoxide detector. The tools we're going to need for the job is one CR123A battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip the sensor onto its back, and we're going to grab the back plate just like so. Now, holding onto the sensor, we're going to rotate the back plate with a firm pressure counterclockwise until we hear it click. Once we hear it click, we can then take the back plate off and locate our old battery. We're then going to remove this battery and replace it with the new one, just like so. We're then going to put the back cover plate back on, and we're going to rotate it around until it bites, just like so. Once it bites, we're going to make sure that there's no gaps. Then what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the sensor counterclockwise and the back plate clockwise. Now, don't be afraid if you have to put a firm pressure, because it requires quite a firm pressure to close. So I'll do that one more time, just like so. Then I do a little bit of wiggle to make sure that there's no gaps, and upon inspecting that there's no gaps, our job here is done. And that's it.